Hello there. In this video, we are going to show you how to repair a broken USB port from a portable hard drive. Step 1. Remove the case. Step 2. Desolder the broken USB connector. Step 3. Prepare a good, same USB connector. Step 4. Solder the new USB connector onto the board. Step 5. Test the hard drive. The procedure of our repairing services. 1. You send it to us. 2. We repair it. 3. We ship back to you. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.